Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use any permanent magnet speaker that is sitting around the house. Use them as a Bluetooth. Some, of course, you need amplifier. Some really you don't need amplifier. I will show you how to do that. I ordered a few products from Amazon and Alibaba Express. This one I bought from Amazon, very reasonable price. Bluetooth is very good product. I'm going to put the link in the bottom. Then the other two I bought from Alibaba Express, very reasonable price. This is the Bluetooth, and this is the amplifier, very reasonable price amplifier. If you need amplifier, you can purchase, but as I mentioned, some speaker, I don't even use amplifier because they are working very well without amplifier. So hopefully you're going to enjoy this video. If you have any question, put in the comments so I can get back with you. Really my purpose to make all these videos for those people that just got started in this great hobby, to show them how to be safe working around electricity, how to be able to build test equipment and use them, and how to be able to restore or fix the radios and other equipment. Hopefully you all enjoying this video. Stay tuned. In this video, I will show you how to hook up Bluetooth to any type of a speaker. They should be permanent magnet speaker. These are I took from the computer out. These are belong to the old radios. These two are car radios. This is also came out of the a larger speaker, is a permanent magnet. I will show you again how to hook up this to all this speaker and use this speaker as a Bluetooth speaker. As I mentioned earlier, these are the items that I purchased. Of course, this I bought a while ago from Amazon, which I mentioned. I'm going to put the link in the comment section. Also, this is another Bluetooth that I purchased, from Alibaba Express, and this amplifier also purchased from Alibaba Express. The good thing about this amplifier, it comes with a charger, so you don't need to worry about trying to find a charger. This is unit already put together. They offer this with a case or without the case. The difference is not that much, so I bought the one with the case to make my job simpler. I think that makes more sense because I didn't want to build a case for it. So let me show you how all this thing works with the speaker. We're going to try first to hook up this directly to the speaker without the amplifier to see how it's performing. For this video, I create a cable like this. This is mono, the jack. But you can use a stereo. Just remember, a stereo, 3 wires comes out of it, and mono is just 2 wires. I use this because it was a simple thing to do. Just I want to show you quickly how you can hook up the Bluetooth to any type of speakers. Hopefully this makes sense. Let me show you this as well. If you have any type of like a headset like this for the old phones, all this equipment, you can actually hook up Bluetooth to it and they perform very well. Any of this Bluetooth will work. Just you see, you hook it up here, right there. See, automatically it found it. So let's play some song. Let's see if I bring this headset close to microphone, if you can hear the music or not. Hopefully you can. It plays. Let me hook up to the other one. Maybe we can get better sound. Of course, these are the headset. It's so hard to play it so you can hear it. If I bring this headset close to microphone, if you can hear the music or not. It plays. So this is good. As you see, you can use any type of old small speaker headset, hook up to the Bluetooth and enjoy listening to the music. Most people, they get rid of all this, and I thought, hook up Bluetooth to it to see what happened. And it's performing. Give it to grandchildren and they're going to be amazed. They have no clue how it works, right? They think you're a genius. This is another speaker, very small speaker. It doesn't show the ohm on this one. I think I took it out of one of my old computer or TV, I'm not sure. Let me play it for you without amplifier and amplifier so you see the difference. You see it's not as powerful as the other speakers, so let's hook it up to amplifier. Alright, let's hook this up quickly. Let me turn on the amplifier. You see, as I mentioned, some of the speaker, it needs amplifier to perform better. Alright, so now let me hook this up to the different speaker. It's going to hook up here. Of course, I'm going to run this without hooking it up to the amplifier. This goes right here. This is just a temporary. Alright, as you see, this is already hooked up. So let's play music. I'm not going to pay for that long because, as I mentioned in my other videos, so YouTube going to kick me out. So listen to some music. See, it's performing very well without the amplifier. So let's hook this up to amplifier to show you the setup. Since this amplifier comes with its own charger, so it makes my job much easier, as I mentioned earlier. So I hooked it up to electricity. Here in Chinese has English too. They say in and out. You see that? This is out, this is in. So out goes to the speaker right here. This Bluetooth comes with this unit. I can put it right here. I hook it up to the center like that. I'm going to turn this on. So everything is hooked up, as you see, to the amplifier. So let's test it. Then I can adjust this louder. And it's performing pretty good, as you can tell. I'm going to stop this. Let me show you other speakers. Alright, now I hooked up this to the another permanent magnet speaker, temporary, to see how it's performing. Would you believe? This is again, as you see how powerful this is. As I mentioned, some speaker you do not need amplifier. I mean, it works unbelievable. Just want to show you, the difference between the speakers. Let me show you other speakers. And this is another speaker. This is a 4 ohm speaker. That's a Pioneer. So let's test this to see how it's performing without amplifier, of course. Alright, and again, this was Pioneer 4 ohm speaker. I believe it came out of one of the cars or was TV speaker. I'm not sure really. I took this out a long time ago. So you see it worked with this. Let's try another speaker. This is a car speaker, Kenwood, and I believe it's a newer design. So this came out of one of the cars that just hold on to. Let's hook up to see how it's performing against this one. Alright, that is hooked up. And let's see how it's performing against this speaker. As you see, it's performing against this speaker as well. Now I'm going to show you a very large speaker. One of my old stereo equipment that I have. Let me hook up that and show you. Alright, this is the largest speaker we're going to hook up to the Bluetooth to see if it's performing or not. This comes out of my stereo equipment made in Japan and called Chrysler. So let's see how it's performing in this without the amplifier. This is the 8 ohm speaker. Again, this is all the speaker with a permanent magnet. So let's see how it's performing. This one has a wire, so I'm just going to hook up the wire here quickly. Right now I don't know which one is a positive, which one is negative. Just I want to show you, does it work or not. Okay, that's hooked up. Let's see. Do you hear that? As I shared with you, this Bluetooth is pretty powerful. So that's what I was trying to say. Some speakers, you do not need to have amplifier. Some you have to have amplifier. One thing I noticed, the smaller speaker, it need amplifier. The larger speaker, they don't. Don't ask me why, I have no clue why. The reason I made this video, because my last video regarding single tracer, some subscriber, some viewer, they ask about the speakers and what the speaker they can use, since that the speaker that I show in my video is pretty hard to find. Just I want to show you that you can use any type of a speaker to be able to test or play song or whatever you like to do. Again, hopefully this will give you some idea how you can actually use your old speaker, hook up the Bluetooth and enjoy it. You all have a good day. At this time I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comments. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you, enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and you will be notified when a new video being uploaded. You have a great day.